And cutting across to more breaking news coming in from Karnataka, as the state has now banned flights coming in from 5 states that are worst hit due to COVID. In India, the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan are seeing an increasing rise in the number of cases due to COVID, and Karnataka has now banned flights coming in from these 5 states. Pooja Prasanna, our South Bureau Chief, is picking up more details on the same. Over to you, Pooja.
In a cabinet meeting that concluded just a few minutes ago, the decision was taken to ban entry of people from 3 states. This is Maharashtra, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Now, from these 3 states, people are not allowed entry through any route, be it road, railways or flights. As far as the other 2 states are concerned, now the Karnataka government has taken decision to not allow flights from 5 states. That also includes these 3 states, that is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and also Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. So flights from these 5 states will be banned entry into Karnataka, and for 3 states, people cannot even take other routes like road and railways to enter the state of Karnataka. And the reason being given is that if you look at the reasons behind new cases that is emerging, the origin of contract, most of them are people who have returned from Maharashtra, some of them from Tamil Nadu. So in view of cases increasing in Karnataka, the state government has taken a decision for at least 15 more days to not allow entry from people from these particular states into Karnataka.
But Pooja, what about those who take a via flight? Probably go to another destination and then come to Karnataka, or take a halt in another destination in between and then come to Karnataka. Is there any decision been taken in those cases?
Well, that exactly, the details of that haven't been spelled out. But as far as the Karnataka government is concerned, they will not have control over these passengers, because the screening of them will be done in the destination right before which they will board a flight to Bengaluru or Mangalore, to prominent airports in Karnataka. So whether they will in fact reach out to other states to see if they will not allow passage is something that remains to be seen. But at this point of time, they are putting a ban only direct flights from these 5 states and direct entry from these 3 states particularly. But if they were to travel to some other state, a neighboring state and come, is something that we're waiting for clarity on.
All right, Pooja. Thank you for those details.